Sumitomo Heavy Industries process equipment has overcome the challenges step by step with our customers and has accumulated invisible innovations. Most of our products are in factories, and you would not find them in everyday life. However, the things made with our products are overflowing in our lives. Our products support an affluent life and connect with the world. Sumitomo Heavy Industries process equipment has valued the process in our company name and has been succeeding for many years. We began our business over 400 years ago at the Beshi copper mine as a member of the Sumitomo Group. Over those years, we evolved in the tradition of Sumitomo's business spirit and honed our skills in making great products. Almost all of our products are made to order for each customer. No matter how big the equipment, anywhere in the world, including equipment manufacturing and plant engineering, at every stage of design, manufacturing, installation, and assessment, we have the advanced technology and manufacturing capabilities that meet a wide range of customer needs. Chemical, steel, and petroleum, key industries supporting our society. Our products often play core equipment in a wide range of industrial processes, and the quality of our products has a major impact on the plant's stable operation, production efficiency, and quality. Just as a tailor-made suit fits the body perfectly because it is made to order, we can provide products that meet customer needs. We thoroughly pursue what kind of products are needed and how to build them up through dialogue with customers. We focus on solving problems step by step. We create optimal value for customers' production process by accumulating invisible innovations. The mixing vessels are used in various applications as the main reactor for resin and functional material plants. By using better methods, productivity, cost, and quality can be significantly improved. We can resolve chemical process issues with experience for both mixing operations and manufacturing techniques for mixing devices. Through agitators, tanks, and internals, we provide the optimal configuration of reactors for the total solution. The distillation technology and liquid-liquid extractor are essential at the chemical plant for processes such as concentration and separation in raw materials and waste-liquid treatment. Column in column that can consolidate multiple distillation towers into one. Our services extend not only to the manufacture of standalone devices, but also to the integration of total plant engineering from design to installation. The coke oven machines that are indispensable for coke production in the steel industry. Sumitomo Heavy Industries Process Equipment Company has achieved in the past and currently has over 90% market share in Japan. This makes it possible to make proposals that meet the customer needs, such as renewing and repairing with existing machines, weight-saving technology that reduces the burden on the furnaces, and various environmentally friendly peripheral devices. Coke drums are the main reactor of heavy oil cracking in the oil refining process and refine valuable resources as much as possible. We manufacture large pressure vessels that are approved by ASME and various regulations. Our technologies allow for the welding of extremely thick materials and other such special materials. We offer the highly durable coke drums. Steel structures that are used as frames and internal supporting elements of large cranes, construction machines, and offshore structures. By applying our large-scale canning machine and welding technology, which we have developed through bridge engineering, we fabricate large steel structures with reliable manufacturing. Nowadays, our society faces more difficult and complex challenges than ever before towards a sustainable society. To create products that realize a richer future, Sumitomo Heavy Industry Process Equipment continues to value our process.